In this lecture, we will try to solve one business problem. So let's create the situation. As we are using the same data model, we have one student table and the other is the marks table, and we have one-to-many relationship. I have added student name on the matrix, and now I can add one measure here. We have already created total obtained marks. The formula for this measure is sum x. The first parameter is the marks, and now we are adding midterm marks plus final term marks. I have added slicer here, student name slicer, and now the requirement is we need to calculate the percentage for every student depending on the obtained marks. So now first we need to add 1681 with every row here. So how to repeat this total with every row? We can utilize the same method that we have seen in the previous video to ignore how we can ignore the filter context with the help of calculate. So we can write one measure here, grand total marks, and it will be calculate total marks all, and here I can provide student name column, and now I can put it here, and here you can see this value is repeated with every row. And now try to create one more measure for the percentage. Name is student percentage is equal to divide function. The numerator will be total obtained marks divided by grand total marks. Enter. Now drag and drop here student percentage, and we need to change the formatting to percentage, and see here we are getting the percentage is 100%. That is correct. Now if I select multiple students, see the percentage is not correct. We are getting 80% here instead of 100%. So how much, which value we should get it here? We should get 1356. This value should be repeated here. So how to fix this issue? We can fix this issue with the help of Allselected. So Allselected is a function that works the same as all function works. The difference between all and Allselected is Allselected ignores the internal filters that is coming from the student name column, but it does not take into account the filter that is coming from the external, like in this case it is a slicer. And the Allselected works the same like all function. It ignores the filter context from the student name, it ignores the filter, it ignores the internal filters, but also take into account the filters that is coming from the external side. So let's modify the grand total, and here we can use Allselected and hit enter, and here you can see the same amount, the same number is being repeated with every row, and we are getting 100%. Even if you select 4 student, 5 student, or any number of students, so we are getting the right percentage. So this is how we can use all and all selected function with calculate.